so as a lot of you guys know, that engine is seized on that Audi, right? So, I was looking around for an engine. They're about $2,000 on the low end, about $4,000 on the high end. So, I found another Audi A6 listed right here, and I'm gonna go check this out. It's 10 minutes down the street. If the engine turns, I'm buying it, and I'll keep one of them or I'll flip both of them. Either way, let's jump to checking this Audi out. The things I get myself into. Let's see if she's worth it. Nice little find. Now let's find out.
A few moments later.
So I'm actually back on day 3. The first day they lost the key, the second day they didn't reach me back, and then now today we're back at the car looking at it. All right, so it's about 105 out here today in this Audi trunk. Got it. Let there be light. Come on, baby. All right, boys. This is another bust. Lifted the car up. I got this on the crank tool. I can't pull the engine. Not buying it. So the hunt continues. Looks like I might be going to Sacramento to buy an engine. So let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
All right, I know I said I was not gonna grab that car, but I'm back at the car. Once I found out the engine was seized, I was done with it. I was like, I don't want this thing, because I gotta find an engine for my vehicle, so that doesn't really help my situation whatsoever. But she literally said in her words, I'll drop this thing to $1,000 right now if you want it. I mean, that's hard to turn down for $1,000. It has brand new Pirelli tires on it. Some 19s. It needs a little love, and the engine's seized, but basically a 2011 Audi A6 with 130,000 miles for only $1,000. You really can't go wrong. So right now I'm waiting for the tow truck to come pick this up, bring it back to the house, and then I'll have 2 major headaches on my hand, because I'll have 2 engines that need to be swapped. But again, I mean, you really can't go wrong at the price. So I know I'm a glutton for punishment, but welcome the new Audi to the channel, huh? We have secured the ride. All right, so the car is here. Let's go over what is wrong with it that I know off top. This is a wonderful fix here. Knock knock, who's there? We used a deadbolt to keep your fender to the bumper, so that's wonderful to fix. It does have new tires, so that is a plus. Headlights are faded, easy to fix. And obviously, we do know that the engine is seized. Come inside though, and it's relatively clean. The only real issue is small little cracks here in the leather. Everything else is pretty clean. And same with the back seats, pretty clean for, I mean, $1,000 car. I've seen much worse. And cosmetic wise, there's a little damage on the rocker panel, a little dent there. But other than that, it's really clean. Now for the main caveat with this car, no title. This is a few days later, and I did go to the DMV service here in Las Vegas, and we tried to apply for a title. The title was issued out of Utah the first time, not in Nevada, so they weren't able to get the title, so I kind of wasted $250 on the process, but I'm still kind of stuck with the car here now. So I got a few options here without a title. I can rebuild it and keep it. I can still register it and drive it. It just has no resale value. It's very hard to sell a car without a title. I can continue trying to apply for the title out of Utah and getting it, but getting her to come help me is the challenge here. And lastly, I can fix it and throw it on Turo and make some money back maybe, or just sell it as is. So leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do. I got this car because I was hoping if the engine was good originally. It was bad, so I got it for so cheap that it was hard to pass up. So worst case scenario, you could part something out like this if you really needed to, but I don't want to go through that hassle right now. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments on the silver one, what I should do with it or whatever. I got this white one here that I'm gonna get back working on in the next few videos. I will be tearing out the engine, and we'll be going over why the engine's seized. Maybe we could find a common issue with this car, because because now I have two supercharged engines that are both seized. There's got to be a common fault here. Maybe it's just bad maintenance because a lot of people drive these cars hard and maintain them terribly, but either way, follow along if you guys like this journey. Drop me your comments if you guys have any questions on either one of these vehicles. I'm open to make content on whatever. Happy to show you guys the journey that I go on and see what kind of headache I get myself into. Thanks guys, peace.